things are very big, some things are very small. You can see them everywhere, just look around, it's not hard at all. What about this shiny coin? I'd say it's small. What about this shiny coin? Wow, it's bigger than a house, it must be big. Small. Big. Small. What about this really cute bird? I'd say it's small. What about this cute bird? Wow, it's bigger than a plane. It